What if I told you that sleeping could actually help you progress in a Pokemon game? In 2025, that's not science fiction, it's Pokemon Sleep. This unique app turns your sleep into a game, literally. But is it just a cute gimmick or actually worth your time? Here's how it works. You place your phone or Pokemon Go Plus Plus near your pillow when you sleep. The app tracks your sleep cycles, light sleep, deep sleep, and dozing, and then assigns you a sleep style. Depending on your sleep quality and duration, different Pokemon with matching sleep styles will gather around your Snorlax in the morning. Yes, you collect Pokemon by sleeping. Each day, you'll discover new sleeping Pokemon, feed your Snorlax to make it grow, and unlock evolutions, berries, and helper Pokemon. There's even a sleep dex to fill, just like a Pokedex, but for sleep. So what's the catch? Let's be honest, it's not the most interactive game. It's extremely passive, relying entirely on how well and how long you sleep. There's no battling, no leveling in the traditional sense. It's more like a gamified wellness app with cute visuals and nostalgia appeal, but that's also its charm. Instead of rewarding grinding or screen time, Pokemon Sleep encourages real-world healthy habits. The better you sleep, the more you progress. You even get sleep tips, charts, and weekly summaries, making it surprisingly useful if you're trying to improve your sleeping patterns. The design, visually adorable, with soft animations, soothing music, and, of course, the iconic Pokemon sound effects. Snorlax takes center stage, and seeing Pikachu curled up next to it never gets old. However, there are in-app purchases, and like many modern apps, it gently nudges you towards spending for faster results. But the core experience is free, and you can enjoy most of the app without paying. So, is Pokemon Sleep worth it in 2025? If you're a Pokemon fan who wants a calm, non-intrusive way to improve your sleep, the answer is absolutely yes. If you're looking for a traditional game with action, combat, or strategy, this isn't it. But as a mix between a sleep tracker, a digital pet, and a nostalgic mini-game, Pokemon Sleep is one of the most charming and unexpected wellness apps of the year.